everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Designer. So this is a very easy tutorial and this is just for basic or let's just say for beginners. So this is what it looks like and you have tons of features here to choose from. If you want to remove background, if you want to generate something, if you want to designs for social medias, everything is up to you. But now we are looking for this Microsoft Designer because we want to design a logo or something that we want to post on our social media, specifically Instagram. Okay, a picture or an image. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, we have here try a prompt and describe the design you'd like to create. As you can see, the word here is describe the design. Okay, so let's just say an example an Instagram post about cosmetic product launch. So when you try to ask Microsoft Designer about something, it should be like this. Okay, for example, an Instagram post about announcing that we are now selling bags in our store and the name of our company or the name of the bag is something like this, like that. Okay, so this is just an example. So once done, what you want to do is to click generate. And on the right side, you will see here the result, of course, of your words here. Okay, so there are tons of designs, or let's just say template that you can choose from. Okay, if you are not satisfied, then you can also click generate again. Okay, if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can tap generate. And also, there's a suggestion here. Now, if you want to follow the suggestion, you can tap generate and you will see, I think, more or much better result. Okay, so all you have to do is to pick that design that you want to edit. But in case that you have your own photo or file already, you can just simply click this add media or generate image here. And if you just want to edit a little bit of that image that you have created already, then you can simply add media. Okay, so if you want to generate image, if you want to look for other designs, or if you want to see other options, you can simply tap generate and it will generate an image. And all you have to do is to select. Now you can tap this explore more prompts if you want to explore more prompts. And for sizes, like what I've mentioned, you can choose for like if you want to post it on Instagram, Facebook, or whatsoever, you can just simply select the size here. But now I want to post it on my Instagram account, so I have to select the size of Instagram post. So let's just say I want to design this or I want to customize this kind of template. So if you want to edit your text, you just have to double tap and then type the text or words that you want to appear here. Okay, this is what it looks like. And on the right side, you can simply look for or tap any of the following here because this serves as ideas. Okay, so if you don't like this idea here, then you can select from any of the ideas here. Okay, but for me, I want to try something with a bit purple. Okay, like this. So as you can see, it also changes the text, but you can move that. You can change the position. Everything is up to you. Now, if you want to change the font, you just have to double tap and then you will see here a font button with a pencil icon. And all you have to do is select the font that you want to use here. Okay, you can also change the font size. Okay, so everything is up to you. So let me adjust this one first. Okay, so we have here the image and the text. Now, next thing to do here is to simply add a logo for your post. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click the My Media and you can import the file from your device, from phone, from Google Drive, okay, from other folders. But actually, I have created a logo using other editing tool. or let's just say I use Canva. So I created this logo using my Canva editing tool. So yes, after that I downloaded it and then I want to use it here and my Microsoft Designer. So that is just a suggestion. You can also use editing tool to create a logo, or you can also use this Microsoft Designer if you wanted to. So this is my logo and I can drag it wherever I want. So let's just say I want to put it in the center. This is what it looks like. But let me remind you, this is just a tutorial and I'm pretty sure that you can do better than this. So we have also filters here if you want to change the effect of your logo. Okay, so to add something like if you want to add your contact number or email address, you just have to tap text and then select, for example, add a subheading here. And then here, what you want to do is just simply put your or enter your phone number or your contact number or your email address. Okay, and then after that, you can drag that anywhere here. Of course, you have to make sure that this one is visible. Okay, so let me drag it here below and you can also adjust the size. Also, you can change the color, of course, okay, to make it more visible to anyone. Okay, so let me change this to white. Okay, now you can also adjust the name of your bag or company right here, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so change the font style, font size, everything is up to you. Okay, so the next thing that we can do here on Microsoft Designer is to look for this visual here. If you tap visual, then you can generate more like photos, graphics, videos. If you want to add something like a paper or a bag image, something like that. Okay, so for example, you want to add this, then you can simply drag that image right here and then adjust or resize it. Okay, so let me change it to this image. Okay, drag it, resize, and you can even delete this one if you're not satisfied or if you change your mind. Okay, so let me put it here beside my contact information. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can change this later on if you want. Okay, so here it is. Now we have the contact number, the logo, and we have added an image here. Okay, so next we have here is what I've mentioned. You can also add graphics and videos if you wanted to. Okay, so next we have is, let's just say if you want to add shapes or something like this. Let's just say if you want to add another text and you want this or you want to have a colorful background to that. So you can add this one here and also you can change the color if you want to. But actually, I don't want to change anything here. This is just for you if you want to add something. Okay, you can add this shape and you can change the color. So, like what I mentioned earlier, if you want to add something like another photo, let's just say you're looking for something like this related to store, something like that, and you found something very interesting and that you can add here to your Microsoft Designer. So all you have to do is to drag that image. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, you can drag that image right here and then you can put it wherever you like. You can change the size. Okay, so let's just say I want to put it right here. Okay, down below. Okay, let me adjust this one first. Okay, and don't worry if you think that it's just um it's getting too much attention on your template or on your Microsoft Designer here. You can do this. Okay, change the opacity. So if you want to change the opacity, you just have to tap that image, okay, and then decrease. cases. You can see this is what it looks like. You could also do this to your font. If you want to change the opacity of your font, then you can decrease that. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want to change this, if you want to increase the opacity again, you just have to tap and then tap opacity and then increase. Okay, we have other options here: replace, remove background, okay, quick select, set as background, and so on. Now, if you want to change template, then you can also change template here. Everything is up to you. If you think that it's not suitable, or if you think, or if you just change your mind, you can just simply go to this area, to this part, and then look for another template. Okay, so you can explore more here. You can create new design if you want to. Now, once you're done and once you're okay, then you can click this download here. You have options. You can use AI for this following, okay? And then click download. Then you have your choice if you want to convert it to PDF, but PNG is recommended. And that's it. So this is just a very basic tutorial. This one is for beginners, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.